Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now and be back at market open. Have an order at 37.10 here for a call contract. I'll go to 36.10 now. I'm trading options. If you have no idea what I mean when I say that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, and I'll link you to a completely free guide called The Big Basics of Options, and I'll walk you through the terminology, how things are working. Okay, I'm at 36.10. Oh, that's what I wanted, so let's go to 35.10 now. Actually, let's do this, 34.70. Now, options, can they be very complicated? Sure. They do kind of have an intimidating reputation, and they can be complicated, but they can also be approached in a more simpler way. And I approach them in the simpler way. So if you're someone that kind of likes the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, then like I said, let me know, and I'll send you that link to the guide. Options are definitely good if you have a smaller account. All right, I will pause. Keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 49.50 in. At 49.50 for a call. And out for $50 there. So we'll now try again at 47.50. So we'll see if this wants to come back down. Just a very quick $50, I don't know, maybe 20 seconds. Actually, let's go 46.50. There we go. All right, I will pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, I'm at 43.50 in, at 43.50 for a call, and out for another quick $50. Going to go down to 40.10 now. See if we can start that process all over again. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. So a couple quick $50 sniper shots. And I will pause. Have an order at 39.50 for a put. Okay, tried that. I go to 37.10 now. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 41.50 for a put, but I definitely don't like how it's just hovering around that area. So I'm going to go up to 39.10. Let's see if we can get 39.10 up around that red line there. I will go ahead and pause. All right, going to try to pick up a put here on the way down. In there. At 44.50. And out for $50 there. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Another quick $50. Okay, I have an order at 37.70 here for another put. I'm going to go ahead down to 35.70 now. All right, I will pause for now. I have an order at 40.70. And for a second there, I was on the best bid, but it quickly recovered back upwards. So I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 36.50 here. Oh, that's what I needed, and it did not fill me. So let's go to 35.10 now. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 39.70. You know what, I'm going to try. I really like this area up here. I think we have a couple, yeah. 421.70-ish, give or take. We'll see if the price can get up around there. I will pause. Have an order at 41.10. A put. Actually, 40.70 is probably going to be a more accurate area. I will go ahead and pause. Well, no, I'll keep it going for now. Okay, I'm going to pause. I have an order at 43.70 here for a put. So price needs to come up just a bit more. All right, let's go to 41.70 now. I will pause. Well, I tried and I was right. Came up and wanted to come back down, but that's also why trading is hard. Because just because you're right doesn't mean you're going to make money. So again, I was right. I thought the price would come up to this area. I thought it would come back down, but I'm not making any money from it because I didn't quite get the entry point right. So always keep that in mind. That is what makes trading hard. It's easy to sit here and say what's going to happen, but did you actually take advantage of it? Were you actually able to get into the trade? Were you able to manage the trade? Were you able to exit it properly? Those are all, different questions. So we'll see if it wants to return back upwards, but I'll go ahead and pause. I have an order at 40.10 here for a put. Need to come up just a bit more. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here. Actually, no, it's just starting to break out, so I need to approach that differently now. The price was just peeking its head above that blue line, so if this is the start of a bigger breakout, I'm going to give myself a little bit more wiggle room here. All right, I'll pause. I have an order at 37.10. It's within striking distance. Okay, she's going to leave it on the porch, so don't worry about it. Thank you. I'm at 37.10. Getting close. In at 37.10. And out for a $90 scalp there. So it took a little bit longer than obviously if you're only going for $50. But still not, I mean, that wasn't even a 20-second trade. So $90 in, I don't know, 20 seconds, I'll take that. So very good, timed it up right with that yellow line there. Got a nice entry point. And it worked out just fine. So I am up 240 now. I will go ahead and pause and see what else I can find. I have an order at 37.70 for a put. So just need to see the price come up through that blue line a bit. I'll pause, but keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 37.10 for a put. I will pause. Have an order at 34.70. In at 34.70. A put. See what it wants to do here. Try for, whoops. Let's get that out of the way. I'm at 35 right now. See what it wants to do here. Try to pick up one here at 30. 31.50. Good. See what it wants to do. Got that. So getting to build some size here. I will go ahead and pause for now, and I will keep you updated. Okay, maybe you're going to be able to get out of some of the position here. If you can get up into 29s, that'll be perfect. Okay, took off some. And they're a nice $830 trade. So very happy with that one, which puts me at 1070 on the day. So was able to build some bigger size, and then as it came back down, pulled the profits off. Hindsight, should I be holding longer? Of course, but you also have to acknowledge that had this just been, let me grab a marker real quick. Let me bring this, sorry about this. Had this been something where, yeah, it came up and then came down and then right there decided to come back up, then I'd be sitting here saying I got too greedy. I wanted more. But yes, right there, it has continued to come down. So yeah, I should probably have hung on to 1 or 2 contracts. That's fair, but at the same time, I am judging myself in hindsight. So I will go ahead and pause. All right, well, I need to move on with my day, so I'm going to go ahead and call it good. So 1,070 with commissions, I don't know, we'll call it 1,050. So 1,050 bucks, I will gladly take that, especially when you consider this is just a side hustle for myself. I have multiple streams of income. I'm a big believer in many streams of income, so this is just a side hustle for me. So if in a couple hours, few hours, I can put a little over $1,000 in my pocket, I'm not a greedy savage. I am definitely more than okay with that, and that's just a kind of a crazy amount of money if you just stop and really think about it. So very happy with that. Nothing to complain about at all. Again, if you enjoy these live trade videos, if you want to learn more about options, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section. Guide. Also, maybe Clay, I don't know, that that loss was looking kind of potential, or the unrealized loss was looking pretty big. So how does your risk reward, like, how does this all working out? And fair question. If you want to see a video where I go into more details with data on that, just type risk guide or risk video or something like that in the comment section, and I'll gladly link you to that too. But overall, if you enjoy these, if you want me to continue to make these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a simple comment below. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.